Don't forget to use your whammy bar.
Oh, that's not for him. No, not that. Oh, what did you do that for?